things in the HANA, right? So HANA database. So and also we have the SAP HANA DB as well as SAP HANA Cloud database. Both are available. HANA Cloud DB. So both are there here. So if I talk about the differences, right? So in the on-premises, in the customer environment, we have the SAP HANA DB. And if I talk about the in the cloud side also, in the BTP, we have the one more HANA database here, right? So the both the functionalities of the database are same, but the difference is here. So the infrastructure part will be managing by the SAP here, right? Suppose example, if I take the one diagram here, right? So suppose take example, so this is the HANA database. Here, the hardware and operating system on top of the database installation, then data, then SAP applications or whatever it may be. Everything we are the responsible, whole and soul, we are the responsible here, right? Hardware, then operating system, then DB. So DB installation, DB software and DB installation, then DB data and application, right? So here everything we are responsible in the on-premises database, which means hardware you need a license, and OS you need to license, and DB you need a license, data and application. So there are the multiple licenses. So each and everything is under your part only here. So when it comes to the HANA Cloud, HANA database here, HANA Cloud, HANA database. So there is a small differences here. So this part is managing by the SAP, which means this part is managing by the SAP here. So what is this part means here? So hardware, operating system, the DB softwares and everything will be arranged by. So only we will get the access. We have the scope, like there is a template you will get in the template. So you need to just fill the what version of the HANA DB softwares, and also how much RAM, how much hardware, how many CPUs you required. So you need to just take that that fill you need to fill it out. Only this part is yours, and remaining data part is ours part only. Then application. But only thing is here, especially so this part will be by this part is under the SAP control here, right? It's not your control, hardware, OS and DB. So that is the major differences here between HANA Cloud on premises and HANA Cloud and HANA database here. HANA Cloud and HANA database here, right? That is the major one of the major difference here, right? So that is the one thing. Okay, remember that only you have the access to the HANA Studio and HANA Cockpit. So to provision the HANA systems, means to monitor, to do the administration part, development works, you have the HANA Studio here. But here you have only one option, that is called the HANA Studio and a Database Explorer. So only HANA Studio for the administrator to do the administration work in the HANA Cloud level, in the HANA Cloud database here. So here using the HANA Cloud Central, you need to monitor, you need to provision the instances here. So BT Cloud, right? Then how can you provision you need one application? Then HANA Cloud Central application you required to create the instances. So it's in the cloud, right? So you have a lot of memories and everything you will get here in the cloud. You will see lot of things, memory, there is a seamless memory and everything in the HANA Cloud here. It's a multimodal database management system that empowers architect of the future to build, deploy the next generation of the intelligence data applications. It's a powered database in the HANA Cloud here, right? So there is a limitless database for any workload, limitless performance at scale with so any scale, any how much you want to extend it, you can extend the HANA cloud here. HANA cloud here, you can just extend it here, right? So that is the main thing of the HANA cloud database here, right? And also the upgrades and everything very very smart. You don't need to download any software, anything. Just in the console, you need to just HANA Cloud Central. You need to do the you need to do the all the versions upgrade, release upgrades, versions upgrade in the HANA Cloud level. You have to perform it here. HANA Cloud level, you have to perform it in the systems here, right? HANA Cloud, HANA database here. And also, yeah, this is a every quarter. So you are
Yeah,
seeing
right. Your voice is breaking. Yeah.
you are seeing they start releasing the versions and everything in the HANA database level here.
Sir, your voice is breaking. Can't hear anything properly.
What can I do here? Not sure. The Zoom is causing the issues.
Seems fine now, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Zoom is giving the trouble every time. Last 2 days, yesterday and today also it's giving the better to uninstall the Zoom and start so log in from the browser. That will give the okay. So that is the major difference between the HANA cloud and on-premises HANA database here, right? And important thing and the latest version of the if I talk about the latest version of HANA 2.0, the latest features is excited the latest. There are a lot of features in memory computing management. Here the some highlights in the HANA 2.0 SPS 08 here. So what are those means here? Simplified. Suppose if anyone asks you can you tell me what are the new features, new enhancements SAP introduced in the latest versions? In that case, you can say like simplified. So simplified user management and security, and also optimized the table placements. There is a one more thing is here table placement. They have optimized the group names, types, subtypes, so they have optimized the data storing in our HANA database level. They optimized that one. And also they have the enhanced accessibility and user friendly. So in memory computing environment, it's a more accessible and so very user friendly. Why? Because a wide range of features and everything is available in the HANA 2.0 and everything here. And also there is a mission critical data operations modeling, the developments related things here. So vulnerability fixes in the latest versions here. So if we keep on discussing, there are a lot of features SAP introduced in the latest version of the HANA 2.0 SPS 08 here. So SPS 08. So this term normally up to 07, once a year they release the once a year they release the new SPs. But starting from SPS 08, the maintenance term is every 2 years once. So which means every 2 years means this will stay till till 2 years here, right? Every 2 years new SPS they will release into the market here, right? That is the one thing. And cloud in the BTP, okay, in the BTP, this HANA Cloud, one of the DB as a service concept here. DB as a service concept in the HANA Cloud, HANA database in the BTP here. In the BTP, one of the database is called the DB as a service concept here. Means everything they will provide it. You need to just subscribe the service. You need to start deploying the HANA database and everything here. You don't need hardware, software, say everything. Just you need to fill the form and enter it. Automatically, the HANA database will be deployed. That is the one of the thing here. And what next? So, any interview questions you have? So maybe if you need some clarification or something, anybody?
Sir, I have one question. How to check web dispatcher logs?
So web dispatcher log. So you can in the when you install the web dispatcher, it will so any file, any SAP file, it will create the OS level some file system structure. Suppose like USR SAP, SID, maybe web dispatcher. Then in the web dispatcher instance name and work directory. In under the work directory, you see the dev underscore web dispatcher. There is a log file. If you open this log file, you can see the web dispatcher log file.
Okay. Thank you, sir. And sir, you have told at the last class that the maintenance, I mean, how to keep one system in maintenance. You send that, I mean, documentation.
Keep on. Okay, maintenance mode, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Normally, maintenance mode, we won't keep anything in the SAP level actually. They don't know, we don't have any option. I think in the recent S4HANA system, we have the option. Keeping
Mm-hmm.
the system in the maintenance mode, maybe what we have to do in the solution manager, if your system is integrated solution to avoid the alerts, we will keep the we will keep the systems into the maintenance mode here. That is what we will do. Otherwise, portal system, you have the web dispatcher. Then web dispatcher, why? Because many of them they will log in through web dispatchers. So web dispatcher URL. So then if you keep the web dispatcher into the portal mode, maintenance mode, then they won't log into the systems as well here. So that's what we can do it. But SAP level, so no one use that method actually. Maintenance mode in the SAP level
Okay.
means SAP level in the lower environment, ECC and NetWeaver systems and BW, that option is not there. We have seen. So, but in S4HANA system, yes, maintenance, there is a transaction code there. We can keep the clients and everything in the maintenance mode.
Okay.
Ravin, I have one question.
Yeah.
Actually, there was one scenario like in SAP, one of the client have requested, so they have changed the SAP logo for one client.
Okay.
So now they need to apply that SAP logo to every client. So is there any process to apply the logo to all the clients? One
Logo will be applied to all the clients, right? Logo means which logo you are talking? Customer logo?
Yeah, customer logo. Like there is whenever we go to home screen and T code we
There is
apply.
a transaction code, right? To apply the logo in SAP, there is a transaction code.
Yeah, yeah, there is a transaction.